Hello, so this is the beep beep instructional. We're going to be going by 4 sets of 8. So for the first set of 8, we're going to be covering the camera lens with the palm of our hands. On the second set of 8, we're going to be moving back sideways this way. When we reach the 7th count, we're going to do this and 8. We go down. On the third set of 8, we're going to lift our right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, we bend back. 7, we go back up. And then 8, go down. On the fourth set of 8, we're going to be moving our right foot back this way. So that by the third count, we'll be able to face forward, but still with our head facing down. On the fifth count of that fourth set, we're going to look up until 8. So that's the first part, 8. So we're going to do it. I'll do it again now. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next. Okay, next will be our arm movements, and we're going to start with our right hand again, open this time, tapping our left shoulder and facing the same way. We're going to do that for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do the same thing with our left hand, tapping our right shoulder, facing that way too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do the cross. This is quite tricky, so we start with our right, crossing with our left. Then you put down your left hand first, and then the right follows. And you do the other side. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Okay, that's the second set of 8. And the third set of 8, we're doing cross on our thighs. Tapping our thighs again, holding up our hands, and putting it down. And we do this 4 times for the third set. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. For our fourth set of 8, we're going to be tapping crossing our hands again over our thighs, open it up, bring it to the side, tapping back. We do this 3 times, followed by a kiss that we blow. So it's going to be like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and kiss, blow, last 2 counts back here. So all together, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, and up, and 2, and the third, last one, to the side, last one, and kiss, blow, back, 2. That's it. Hope you got it. Okay, for the last one, we're going to be doing 3 kinds of steps. The first one would be the punch, the second would be the macho, and the last one is the ending step. You know, it's hard to do the counting because it goes more with the song. So we have to really practice this with the song. But we'll start this way. With a closed fist, you have to cross and then put it in this position and then punch back this position, punch up this position, down, and you nod. And you do with the left. You do the same thing with the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And after that, you're going to do the macho step, and it's quite fast. So you're going to be doing it. I'm not sure the song, but it goes like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then in the ending, you have a cross again, and then this position, you punch up, you go down, you punch forward, and on the hey, you're going to put your hands and face closer to the camera to say, hey, like that. Okay? So I'm going to do it all together. The whole set would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something like that. Okay? So good luck. You guys can do it. I know you can.